Hello dear students. Now let us derive the formula for horizontal range and maximum height of a projectile. Thrown with a velocity u making an angle theta with the horizontal. So what happens to the object due to the gravity? It slowly falls here. In the previous lecture we have proved that the path is a parabola. And this u can be resolved into two components. X component or adjacent component is ux equal to u cos theta, and this is uy is equal to u sin theta. First let us find the formula for maximum height. Say for example the object is at this point at the maximum height. So at the maximum height, what about the final velocity along y-axis? Vy is equal to 0. What about the initial velocity along y-axis? Uy is equal to u cos theta. Our target is to find h, which is our displacement, the moment when its vertical component becomes 0 is our maximum height. What is the maximum height? The vertical displacement of the object, the moment at which its vertical component of velocity becomes 0. Okay. Now, according to our third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. I am going to apply this for y-axis. I am going to write y suffix here. So, vy equal to how much? 0. So, 0 square minus uy means how much? U sin theta. Vy means 0 square minus uy means how much? U sin theta. So u sin theta whole square equal to 2 into ay means how much? Acceleration along y-axis. So it is z. But since initial velocity uy is upwards, g is downwards. If uy is taken as positive, z must be given a negative sign. And sy means how much? Displacement, that is our h max. So upon simplifying, we get h max equal to u square sin square theta by 2z. Now let us derive max cut. Now let us derive the formula for horizontal range. So what is our horizontal range? Horizontal range means the horizontal displacement of the object during the time equal to time of flight. This is one kind of definition. Cut everything. Horizontal range. Let us define this. It has several definitions. I will give you some definitions. Definition number 1. It is the horizontal displacement of a projectile during the time equal to its time of flight. Time of flight means the time in which the body remains in air. So when the body remains in air means from here to here, what is its horizontal displacement? This. So this is our horizontal range. In other words, the horizontal displacement before the body, cut everything. Horizontal range is defined as the displacement of the object along the horizontal direction during the time equal to its time of flight is known as horizontal range. So the body starts here and ends here. So the time taken by the body from here to reach this point is known as the time of flight. So during this time of flight, how far it traveled along the horizontal direction, that is our time of that is our horizontal range. So horizontal range is nothing but the displacement along horizontal direction. So range is given by displacement, which is equal to ut plus half at square. But as the velocity along x-axis remains constant, its acceleration along x-axis is 0. That's why this term is no more. So s is equal to ut only. As this is along x-axis, I am going to write a prefix. I am going to write a suffix like this. So sx means our r is equal to ux means u cos theta into t, where t means time of flight. Generally, we know the formula for time of flight as 2u sin theta by z. If you can substitute that and simplify, you will get range. But I am deriving the formula for time of flight also. In exam hall, it is not necessary to derive time of flight. Even if you have time, even if you derive the time of flight formula, no problem at all. So let me derive the formula for time of flight. So what is time of flight? The time in which the body remains in air is called as time of flight, or the time in which its vertical displacement becomes 0 is called as time of flight. See, it is on the earth, it is on the earth, means how vertically, how far it is raised? No. So the time during which its vertical displacement becomes 0 is called as our time of flight. So as to find the time, taking the formula again, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Here s becomes 0 because everything is in y direction. Uy means how much? U sin theta into t minus half. Ay means minus g, that's why I wrote minus here, g into t square. From this, upon simplifying, we get t is equal to 2u sin theta by z. I am substituting the t here, and you see what happens. R is equal to u cos theta into 2u sin theta by z. Now see, this is u, take it outside, u into u becomes u square into 2 sin theta into cos theta by z. 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. So r is equal to how much? U square sin 2 theta by z. This is our formula for horizontal range. Is it clear? That's all.